Hello and welcome to Sezcurity. This is Cesar. So if you're new to this channel, the first thing you'll notice is this video that says welcome to Sezcurity, where I explain my reason for starting up the channel. And at the time, I was just done with my master's and I was actually in the job search. And this channel was to serve as a sort of like an online portfolio where I could showcase my work. Because at that time, I didn't have a lot of experience in the industry. I didn't have any experience in the industry, but I needed a way I could potentially showcase my skills to hiring managers in a way that was unique and in a way that would set me apart from the competition. And I really believe this helped me, and something I still advise people who might be where I was at that time, people who are there today, I advise them to do. So since then, I've got a job now, and I work in the industry as an incident responder in SOC. And what I noticed was because the main reason for creating the channel was for it to serve like a portfolio for myself and to get a job. I kind of lost the zeal of keep on of creating videos, because at that time it seemed like I saw that my videos were helping people, but that was kind of like a secondary reason of creating the channel at the time. So when it seemed like I got the main thing I wanted, the zeal or the interest just kind of like died down. Well, right now I've kind of like found a way where I can get that interest back. I've decided to change my main aim of uploading videos, and now instead of documenting my learning to just for as a portfolio for myself, I'm gonna make the main aim still documenting my learning, but this time instead of just to get like the benefit for myself, the main aim is gonna be documenting it because I know it can be of help to others as well. Then along the way, if I get any benefit from it, so be it. If I don't, so be it. But basically, I'm just going to be documenting what I'm learning, with it at the back of my mind that yes, this is something that could also help others. Anyways, so that leads me to what I want to talk about today, which is the plan for the channel for 2023, and so that's what I plan to learn, and what I plan to be documenting on this channel. So I always knew that the first field I got into in the industry, cybersecurity industry, was likely not where I was going to be in the long run. And now, after working as an incident responder for about a year, I think I'm pretty sure that's not where I want to be in the long run. I believe I would like something a bit more technical. And although this being here has made me get some certifications like the Splunk certified power user and the CrowdStrike Falcon Threat Hunter, which I'm happy to create videos explaining how I studied for them if that's something um, that anyone would like to see. I do believe I'll be more at home with something more technical like security engineering. And because I also hold the AWS Certified Solutions Architect, so something more geared towards the cloud as well, because obviously that's where the industry seems to be heading right now. So yeah, basically something in the realm of cloud engineering to security engineering to cloud security engineering. So for the year, the goal is going to be to refine my skills in this area. So I'm still going to be doing um, track me walkthroughs. My plan is to finish a couple of the pathways on the track me .com platform, and also I'm going to be coupling this with AWS labs and different size projects, from mini projects to some of these projects you see on the AWS workshops website. And yeah, I'm also studying for the AWS security specialty certification currently, so I'll be documenting some of my learnings from that along the way as well. So another thing I want to do this year is to do videos based on um, requests from viewers. So if you have a request for maybe a topic that is kind of related to the videos I'm doing and it's not too far away, you can leave a comment in under one of the videos and just let me know you would like to see a video me do a video on this topic or covering this topic, and yeah, I'll be sure to get to it as long as it's not completely unrelated. Yeah, so if all this sounds like it's going to be helpful and interesting to you, you can subscribe and we can go on the journey together. Yeah, I might even decide to show my face in the videos at some point. I don't know. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.